g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making cucumbers to eat in a nice, crunchy, easy to make way. I've done cucumber spears before. This is slightly different. Sumo loves his cucumbers. He's been eating the ends of the cucumbers. And this is super easy to make and really delicious. And it will keep in the fridge without going soggy for a day or two. So all we do is we take some little cucumbers and we slice them. They say on an angle, I don't know, maybe you want it thinly. So however you slice them, just do it thinly. Now it calls for Ponzu sauce, but Ponzu sauce has soy in it and I don't eat soy. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of my coconut aminos and then add some lemon juice because apparently Ponzu sauce is a little citrusy, so you can get that from there. So we've put our cucumbers in the bowl. We're gonna add to it now some rice vinegar. We're gonna add some, it says chili garlic sauce, so I'm just using sriracha. We're gonna add some sesame oil. We're gonna add coconut aminos or soy sauce if you have, and you'll add your ponzu as well. I'm gonna put that in the recipe. And then we're gonna add some oil. Now it says neutral oil, but I use olive oil for everything. So that's what I'm using. Little lemon juice. Best squeezer ever for the 10. And then we're gonna mix it all together and top it with some sesame seeds. Now you can toast your sesame seeds for extra flavor or buy them toasted. And then we're just gonna pop that on top. And there you have it. How easy is that? Delicious and easy. So and it looks really nice too. If you have, you can always add more cucumbers. If there's a lot of dressing in there, I would add more cucumbers, but let's try it. Haven't tried this one before. Let's see. Well, it's got the tang of the lemon, a little kick from the sriracha, and that lovely sesame flavor. So there you have it. Super easy, delicious snack, delicious cucumbers. Enjoy.